What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And today we're going to go into some interesting topics. And this is the first one I wanted to get into because it's really cool and exciting. Coinbase Pro is to open up trading for Dogecoin rival Shiba Inu. SHIB. That's the abbreviation for Shiba Inu. SHIB. Crypto exchange Coinbase Pro is opening up trading for Shiba Inu, SHIB. No, really. It is. Look at that. I love those dogs. My neighbor actually has one. Maybe I'll try to get a picture of it. Coinbase Pro announced today that it will begin allowing trades for Shiba Inu as early as Thursday, June 17th. It is also listing Keep Network and Chiliz. Oh, cool. That's pretty awesome. I didn't know that. I really have been wanting to buy into some Chiliz. So, Chiliz. Yeah, I'd like to buy some of that. I like Chiliz better than Chiliz, but I still think it's a cool name. Coinbase customers can begin transferring those three tokens to the platform. According to the blog post, once sufficient supply of CHZ, Keep, and Shiba Inu is established on the platform, trading on our CHZ USD, CHZ Euro, CHZ the pound, CHZ USDT, Keep USD, SHIB USD, and SHIB USDT. Order books will launch in three phases: post only, limit only, and full trading. So that is pretty awesome. Our Shiba Inu coin is going to explode once it gets on there. Dogecoin's already kicking booty, but Shiba Inu is going to skyrocket. Unless India starts selling a bunch of the relief money all in a row. So we'll see. But this is exciting. I'd like to know what you guys think about this. Are you going to buy SHIB because it's going on Coinbase? Or do you think that it's too late? You should have done it already before. Let me know in the comments below. And I just want to thank you guys again for subscribing to my channel, for being here, for watching my content. You're the reason I do this every day and have started to do it multiple times per day. And I just want to thank you guys a lot. You are so inspiring to me. Just the support and love that you've given me by smashing the likes and subscribing. I mean, I have 66 subscribers now. Once we get to 100, we're doing a $20 giveaway plus extra money for those who will be on the live stream during the giveaway. There is going to be a live giveaway going as well as the people who have subscribed to my channel and shared on social media. It will be a 3-day process after that. But let's continue to go into the news. This is pretty cool. I noticed this. Today all our news comes out of Decrypt, so I thought the news that I looked at elsewhere wasn't, post-worthy or vlog-worthy, so I wanted to talk about these 3 things in particular today. And this one, Musk lit a fire on green Bitcoin collaboration, Nasdaq listed Hut 8. So Musk lit a fire under Hut 8, basically, for green Bitcoin collaboration, and they're going to try to go carbon neutral by next year. The company tells Decrypt Elon Musk's tweets sped up its plans to go carbon neutral, which is planned to happen within a year. In brief, 8hut becomes the first Canadian crypto miner to be listed on Nasdaq. The company told Decrypt as it's set to commence Ethereum mining as of this week. As Chinese miners explore alternative locations due to the government crackdown, Hut 8 is also in talks with some of them to offer relevant services. Canadian crypto mining company Hut 8 Mining is now trading on the Nasdaq, with shares trading under the ticker HUT. HUT8 shares offer Nasdaq's traditional investors exposure to cryptocurrency markets without owning crypto. But that doesn't mean it won't face similar risks. Not only is the company on the front lines of the crypto market, it also holds 3,500 Bitcoin. Wow, that's cool. Roughly 138 million on its balance sheets. What did I say, guys? In my previous videos, I said, I guarantee you guys, and I normally don't guarantee. If I say that, I kind of backtrack sometimes, but I guarantee this year we would continue to see people on the S&P 500 and on Nasdaq as well. Hey, say hi to the kitty. He's came up here to say hi to you guys. What's up? But they hold 138 million on its balance sheets. I don't know a whole lot about the S&P 500 and if they are the same thing as Nasdaq. I think they're a little bit different. Um, Let me know in the comments below if you guys know the difference between Nasdaq and the S&P 500. And let me know if you know if HUT8 is listed in the S&P 500 or only on Nasdaq. But 138 million, 3,500 Bitcoin on its balance sheet. Freaking awesome. HUT8 has only mined Bitcoin since its launch in 2011, but it will start mining Ethereum as of this week. Sue Ennis, head of corporate development and investor relations at HUT8, told Decrypt. It makes HUT8 the first publicly traded North American mining company with a diversified portfolio. Nasdaq-listed miners Riot Blockchain and Marathon Digital Holdings are Bitcoin only. In March, HUT8 purchased $30 million worth of NVIDIA's crypto chips to mine Ethereum, and the company is installing them all this week. Ethereum, however, will phase out mining as it is set to transform from proof of work to proof of stake with Ethereum 2.0, which means you will not have to use a lot of energy to mine Ethereum at that point. At that point, they will use the Ethereum tokens themselves to provide power to the network. And that's going to be awesome. When that happens, and is said, HUT8 will switch to Ethereum Classic mining because obviously you won't be able to mine Bitcoin anymore. HUT8 wants you to, you won't be able to mine Ethereum anymore. I'm sorry. HUT8 wants to continue diversifying its mining operations, but not so much that it will ever start mining dog or meme coins like Dogecoin, she said. This company is already on the Toronto Stock Exchange, trading for $4.99 a share. Still, a Nasdaq listing isn't a guarantee of success. But I didn't want to go into all on HUT8. I just wanted to let you know it's pretty interesting news that they're going to go green, and it is definitely going to impact the price of Bitcoin. These are big Bitcoin holders, or, not big, but, decent sized Bitcoin holders. I mean, it's huge to you and I, most of us, but compared to people like, MicroStrategy, this is just a dip in the pool. It's still a significant amount. There's nothing to sneeze at. But let's move over here to this, because I had talked about a survey in one of my previous videos about how many people thought that Bitcoin, or how many companies did you think Bitcoin would be on the balance sheet in the S&P 500? And some people said about 5, some people said 10, 20%. Well, here's this survey. 81% of fund managers still think Bitcoin is a bubble. Bank of America survey. So I don't only always do bullish stuff on my channel. I do show that I am a very open-minded person and that I'm willing to listen to the bearish part of it. I don't agree with it, but I'm still going to give you the news because I think that you deserve to hear it. They think it's a bubble. The vast majority of fund managers surveyed by Bank of America. This is just by Bank of America, though. This isn't by every bank or every company. And just know that this is a bank. They do not want cryptocurrency to do well anyway. But 19% of them still think that it's not a bubble, that it is a wealth, real store of wealth, a real store of value, and that it's not a bubble. Okay, in brief, a recent Bank of America survey suggests that the majority of fund managers believe Bitcoin is a bubble. The survey saw participation from over 200 fund managers with over 650 billion in assets under management. That is a lot of assets. So 19% of these people that own this money believe Bitcoin is not a bubble, and 81% believe that Bitcoin is a bubble. So over 4 and 5, 81% of fund managers, just over 4 of 5, barely 1% over, of fund managers believe, look how bad they want to make this news look. I mean, they're trying hard to make it look bad. So this is very rare that you find bearish news in a bull market, but, they had to throw it in there, I guess. In addition, the survey found that being long commodities are now the most crowded trade, with long Bitcoin coming in second place. Okay, so longing commodities is the most crowded trade. Now Bitcoin is in second place compared to commodities. Really, I mean, it's starting to grow, guys. This is real power behind Bitcoin. This is bearish news, but we find bullish sentiment in the bearish news, right? And precious metals are thought to be an effective hedge against inflation, which is becoming a growing fear of late. The bank surveyed a total of 224 fund managers with over 650 billion in assets under management between all of them. So here's the actual survey right here. Pretty cool. So this went from May 21st to June 21st. It was a 1 month long survey, obviously. And the first part is in May, here in the light blue. And the second part is in June, here in the dark blue. And so here you see, 10% or 10, I don't know exactly what that is. Let's see. I don't know if that's people or percentage. Oh, look, look at this. This is interesting to me. It was actually higher back in May that they were saying no, that it isn't a bubble. This is big. I know there wasn't a lot of days in May. There was more days here to get a more definitive answer. Oh, I'm looking at it wrong. Okay, never mind. These are both yes. I was thinking one of these was yes. Just forget that I said that. No, so May and June. So May was a little bit less. So they were always against it. I was thinking one of these was the yes. That would have been cool. And if in May they were for it because, it was up to 65,000. And then in June when it dropped, they were against it. But that's not how it was. That'd be cool though. However, not everyone is convinced by the collective skepticism on show. This survey demonstrates that a lack of understanding of what problems Bitcoin solves is still prevalent in certain sectors. It is still seen as just another asset by trade by some at this time. Jason Dean, analyst at Quantum Economics, told Decrypt. So that's awesome. That even some of these bank fund managers are for Bitcoin, even though they can't make a whole lot of money on crypto right now, and it's taken a lot of people from getting bank accounts. So you can understand why these people would be so much against Bitcoin. This is kind of a biased survey, in my opinion. But look at Bitcoin, guys. We're up over 41,000. Well, I didn't think we were going to drop back to 36, 37,000. I just didn't think that would happen. in my opinion. I think this was the start, turning resistance to support, and the continuation of the start of the continuation of the bull rally that we're going to have. We're going to see $100,000 Bitcoin. I hope we see it before November, but at least by November, we're going to see $100,000 Bitcoin. So I'm going to get all in on this stuff. Going to find some altcoins to buy in the near future and just check out what's going on. So that being said, you guys know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!